everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make kaisen shio yakisoba. It's stir-fried noodles with some seafood and vegetables. So simple and easy to make, but delicious. Today, I'm using some seafood, bean sprout, and garlic chive, but you can arrange and use whatever you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kaisen shio yakisoba, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of yakisoba noodles, 400 grams of bean sprout, some garlic chive, 300 grams of your favorite seafood. I'm using the mixture of squid, asali clams, and shrimp. 2 tablespoons each of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, sesame oil, and sake, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the garlic chive. The bottom end is dried, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Cut into half, put them together. Cut into half, put them together, and into half. This is the only cutting for the dish. Yakisoba noodles, fresh out of the fridge, it's stiff, and noodles are sticking together. So let's microwave this to soften and to release the noodles. I did 3 minutes at 600 watts, and it's soft and noodles are not sticking together. Now, I'm making the seasoning mixture. So prepare 200 milliliter of water, sake, the soup stock, sesame oil, garlic paste, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well. And the seasoning mixture is ready. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's cook the seafood first. When the seafood is almost cooked through, add noodles and the seasoning mixture. Give it a mix one last time, right before you add. Mix to release the noodles. And just keep cooking until there is almost no liquid left at the bottom of the frying pan. Now, the liquid is almost all gone. So let's add the vegetables. Just keep cooking until the vegetables are wilted. Looks good. Let's turn the heat off. Try not to overcook the vegetables. You want to enjoy the fresh texture. Let's serve on the plate. Some black pepper if you like. And kaisen shio yakisoba is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It may look tasteless because it's not saucy, but the seasoning mixture and umami of the seafood make it so flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kaisen shio yakisoba is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have celery and egg soup here, and carrot and tuna salad for one of the side dishes. Some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!